Hello, everybody. Hello, my boys and girls. Welcome to this class. I'm Mr. T.
Hi man,
How are you?
how's it going, boy?
Okay, guys, welcome again. I hope everyone is okay. Today, we want to learn a new grammar. The grammar is about singular nouns and plural nouns, and also this and these. Okay? So let's start by listening to this grammar chart. I want to play the audio. Please listen carefully and look at the lines. Let's listen.
3. Grammar. This and these. Noun plurals. This is a cell phone.
What's this?
It's a cell phone.
Is this your cell phone?
Yes, it is. No, it's not.
These are headphones.
What are these?
They're headphones.
Are these your headphones?
Yes, they are. No, they're not.
Regular plurals.
Bag. Bags. Watch. Watches. Dictionary. Dictionaries. Key. Keys.
Irregular plurals.
Man. Men. Woman. Women. Child. Children.
Some nouns are only plural.
Glasses. Sunglasses. Scissors. Jeans.
Okay, that's it. Now let's go back to this chart. Okay, I have this chart here, singular and plural. Now, Mr. T, I want you to tell me some singular and plural nouns. Tell me, please, some examples.
Singular bag,
Yes,
plural bags,
bags.
singular watch, plural watches,
Yes.
singular dictionary, plural dictionaries, singular key, plural keys.
Keys. Yes. Okay, let's talk about these words really quick. Keys. Well, so if you look at the first word, we have bag. Next one is bags. So we add s. For most of the words in English, if you add s to the word, it becomes plural. Sometimes we have words like this, watch. You need to add es. Watch, watches, right? Because we have ch at the end. Ch, add es. Sometimes we have some words like dictionary. At the end of dictionary, we have y. So we say dictionaries, ies. So if you have y at the end of the word, you can change it to ies and then it makes it plural. And key, add s, keys. So listen, what's the difference? For example, you can say, okay, dictionary has y. Here we change it to ies. Key has y. We don't change it to ies. It's because we have a consonant word before that, r. But here we have a vowel sound. Okay? So if it's a consonant sound, like R sound, then you can add IES. But if you have a vowel sound, you cannot do that. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Now, this is the list of singular and plural nouns. We know that singular means one bag. Plural means more than one, two bags, three bags, five bags, or 10 bags. Now, if you look at this picture, for singular nouns, we can use this is. For example, this is an apple. This is an apple. For plural nouns, three apples. We can say these are apples. So again, for singular, we can use this. For plural, we can use these. This is, these are. Now let's go back to the grammar box. For example, this is a cell phone. It's singular. These are headphones, plural. For questions, we can say, what's this? It's a cell phone. For questions, plural, we can say, what are these? They're headphones. For yes, no questions, singular, we can say, is this your cell phone? For plural, we can say, are these your headphones? And these are the answers. Yes, they are. Yes, it is. No, it's not. And no, they're not. Listen, something else that we should know is that sometimes we have irregular plurals. It means we cannot add s. We need to change the word. For example, man, two men. One woman, two women. One child, two children. And some nouns are always plural. It means they are never singular, like glasses, sunglasses, scissors. We know that this is scissors, and jeans.
Scissors for haircut?
Yes, we use scissors to cut our hair. That's right.
Yeah.
Do you have a question or
No.
anything here?
No.
Okay, in the next part, we have some exercises. Let's check. Look at the picture. What is number one? What is it?
Umbrella?
It's an umbrella. Number two, what is it?
Bag?
Okay. Number three, what are they?
They are headphones?
Headphones. Number four, are these headphones?
No, they aren't. They are sunglasses.
That's right. Number five, is it an eraser?
Maybe, I don't know. I think it's an eraser.
Okay. And number six, are they pens?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay.
I can't see.
It's fine. They are pens, I guess. Well, so let's listen, let's practice and complete the questions. Number one, I read A, you read B. Ready?
Yeah. Let's go.
Okay. One, is this your umbrella? Is this your umbrella? B,
Yes. Yes, it is.
yes.
Thank
it
you.
is. Number two, A, you read A, I read B.
What's this bag?
What's this?
What's this?
Okay. B, the answer is, it's a computer bag. Computer bag is a bag that you can put your laptop inside. Number three, I
Are
read A. I read A. Are these your headphones? Headphones.
yes, they are. Thanks.
Yes, they are. Number four. You read A, please.
Are they your sunglasses?
Are these
Are these?
are these your sunglasses? No, they are not. No, they aren't. Number five. You read A.
Is this an eraser?
Excellent. Is this an eraser? The answer is yes, it is. Yes, it is. And number six, I read A. What are these?
I think they are pens.
I think they are pens.